So my screen is visible now.
Yes, Karan.
Yeah, basically there is a injection gas is from a sub onshore facilities coming and going to the injection wells basically. So there is no H2 analyzer, online H2 analyzer. So I not want to check the H2S quantity online. So they request us to provide do the feed engineering to provide the H2S analyzer and moisture analyzer because of the there is so much corrosion problems are going on, and to review the how much basically the H2S is going on with the injection gas. So the injection line have a design pressure around 432 bar and around 115 degrees centigrade design temperature. So we are going to tap from here from the injection header, which is going to the injection trunk line 1, 2, and 3. The injection gas is going to trunk line 1, 2, and 3. From there, we are going to tapping and give the online parameters for the H2S and for the moisture. So these two parameters are most important to check the current corrosion in the trunk lines. So basically, there are two taping on the 18-inch line, and with the integral type double block and bleed, we are isolating the line and we are giving tube connection to the H2S analyzer. This is on a field stage. H2S analyzer and moisture analyzer is not finalized yet, so it will be finalized in EPC stage. This complete skid will be finalized in EPC stage. Before that, we have a pressure reduction facility, and the pressure is still not finalized. It will be as per the vendor. Vendor will tell us how much pressure required for this H2S analyzer and moisture analyzer. Then only can the finalize the pressure of the skid. Currently, what I can tell you that the design pressure of this trunk line is 432 bar, and design pressure is 115 degrees centigrade. From the 2-inch tapping from this 18-inch line, the gas will go to the H2S analyzer. One tapping for H2S analyzer and one tapping for moisture analyzer. And we currently we don't know what is going in this analyzer skids because it is totally by vendor. Then we have a vent and drain connection for each analyzer skid, going to the vent connecting to the flare, and drain is connecting to the drain line.
So
This is a brief scope.
pressure reduction is part of a vendor scope of supply, or you will be designing?
Yes, correct.
and
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
it's a part of the
will be
vendor.
part of the, yeah, it's fully part of the pressure reduction.